one of the founders of Like-Minded Females. Like-Minded Females was founded last May, and the very honest truth as to why it was is because once I left university and transitioned into the real life and being a working woman, I found it very difficult. And so when I went out looking for the community group and most importantly for these conversations, I don't know if you know, but the average networking event in London is £41. And that doesn't guarantee you food and wine, it definitely doesn't guarantee you a good conversation.
Hello everyone. Wow, it's really great to see such a brilliant turnout. I mean, I find it really interesting when you talk about balance and well-being and how well people are feeling, how many people are sort of up for having that conversation. I run my company, Conscious Works, which happened as a consequence of me not feeling too good in the workplace. And what I would really, really like to do today, I'll talk about some practical things that you can do to manage your well-being and to stay in balance. But I think the biggest message that I'd like for you to go away with today is a message of consciousness. So the fact that you're even in the room today means you've taken the first step to solving any issue that you have with not being in balance in your life.
So I wanted to firstly talk about the taboo that is kind of fathers in the workplace. Often there's an assumption that fathers don't need flexible working or to spend time with their kids. How do you manage your workload with the responsibilities you have as a father?
So absolutely, I think as someone trying to be an active parent, it's not easy. It's not easy to get that balance right. So one thing I've tried with, and I haven't done as well as I probably should do, is thinking about how my work going home, that time, I can make that more effective. So what I do try and do is leave work a bit earlier, I take a longer way home, but I can actually work on my way home.
Things companies could do is first of all, make flexible working the norm. Actually, flexible working, research has shown, leads to high performance, makes people more productive, people stay longer at companies. Technology has enabled us to work remotely. We don't have to necessarily be in a building.
It's super important to start talking about work-life balance and how do you balance your professional and your personal life and how do you avoid burnout and what are the tips and tricks that you can start implementing as an individual, but also how can you start encouraging and changing the practices of the company.